Renewable Energy Expo.
I'm Renish from Panasonic Solar, and I heard about Renewable Energy Expo Chennai from Cochin Renewable Energy Expo time, and I requested my distributor to participate in the event. And now I feel proud that we are getting a lot of inquiries from the event. A lot of footfall happened. Many persons, direct customers and rooftop customers came to the stall. So as a part of the show, we got a lot of leads, and it's a fruitful show for us. And the organizers well made. They have organized the show very well, and I thank them for the great show. And I hope this will be a greater platform for all manufacturers, all panel manufacturers, all EPC providers, all integrators to be participating. They will get a lot of leads from the show. Definitely this will be a worth for the business growth. In future, definitely these leads will be converted to fruitful projects or fruitful products. Next time also we are trying to, this time we participated through distributor only. Next time we are trying to participate directly from Panasonic. As we experienced the show here, we are getting a lot of leads. That is why we are trying to participate in the show directly from Panasonic next time. And I recommend this show to all other manufacturers and all other players in the solar. Definitely this will be worth for you. Come to the show and participate in future years. Thank you.
6th edition of Renewable Energy Expo, 8th, 9th and 10th February 2024, Chennai Trade Center.